Welcome to Expertdoc Smart Flows. In this session, we'll have a look at conditions. To build a condition is pretty easy. First, you select the text you want to make conditional. Then, in the dataset, you select the field you want to use in your condition, and then you hit the condition button. This brings up the condition wizard. In here, you select the type of condition. That's usually to check whether a field in your dataset has a specific value. Then the field to use, that is the field you just selected. You select the type of field, in this case that's a number, and you select the type of comparison, in this case greater than. Finally, we select the value for our condition, in our case that's 10K. We press OK, and you'll see that there will be a condition box around your text. Let's do this again for the other sentence. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Total amount field is a number, and this time less than or equal to 10,000. Let's OK and preview. Okay, that's looking good. So let's do the same, but this time for text fields, or here it is actually an option set. So we're going to select the text, select the shipping method field. We can actually select the label or the field itself, and we'll hit the condition button. Other types of conditions here are, apart from checking whether a field has a specific value, check whether a field occurs in your data set and whether that is empty or not. Check whether a field occurs multiple times, for instance, a field on a line item. We can check whether an expression is true, if you want to check the value of multiple fields at once, or whether an expression should return a specific value. The no condition is for testing only. Okay, let's finish our condition. We're using the localized label of the shipping method field. That is a text field, and that should be equal to, here, we'll select the value FedEx. Let's OK that. And preview. I notice a little error here, so I will have to correct that first. Okay, that's looking better. You can also nest your conditions. If you only want to show the text when, for instance, the shipping charges are 0, we simply select the text again. We select the freight amount field and hit the condition button. That's a number field, and that should be equal to 0. You could also just select the text for free and make that conditional. If we switch to the mapping list, you can see your conditions there too, and you can see them nested, even here with the little square icon. Best practice is also to give your conditions a proper name. So let's adjust this one quickly so that my colleagues will know what I mean over here. And let's OK that. You can add conditions to almost anything, like words, sentences, paragraphs, whole pages, whole tables, or table rows. There are some limitations, however. You cannot add conditions to multiple table rows at once. And you cannot add conditions to table columns. You also cannot make a whole template conditional. Okay, that was all about conditions for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.